Howdy. Laoshi Lawrence McElroy here, once again for Water Tiger School and Water Tiger for Sachem and others. This is just a little reminder message that there will be no full workshop today. It's President's Day, February 15th of 2021. So we're going to hold off on the full workshop, but wanted to give you this reminder. And since it's President's Day, maybe a little bonus with that as well. Of course, we are recording this before the 15th. And so, Zi Nian Kuai Lu. Happy New Year. It is now the year of the ox. We're leaving the year of the white rat and moving into the year of the white ox. So be strong, be steady, and don't leap into anything new. Oxes, is that the plural? Oxen? Don't leap. Save the leaping for next year. I wonder what it might be. I don't know. Something involving a big wet cat. So there's that. I also want to mention that we are coming up on the fact, as a matter of fact, very quickly on what would be, let's see, let me do the math real quick, 19 years at Sachem Public Library, right? Yes. Our first class, if I remember right, I didn't look up the date, but I'm pretty sure it was February 23rd, it might have been 22nd, of 2002. So there's that. And I think that's about it. I've been talking a lot during these things about double masking. Now the CDC is kind of pointing in that direction. They also have other suggestions. So there's that. The thing that I want to mention, since it's President's Day, how's that for a really bad segue? Just do it. Okay, I did. Is a little something President Lincoln really didn't say, but I find it interesting that a president of the United States of America on September 30th, 59, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, he was speaking to the Wisconsin State Agricultural Society, made a reference to a Sufi phrase and the story behind it. And Water Tiger has a version of that story, and I thought that's what I would share today. So, there was once a king who wanted to humble his wisest advisor, and he said to him, "I would like you to find me a magic ring about which I have been told. It is said to be able to sadden one who is happy and to create happiness in one who is sad." So the advisor went out on this task and was unsuccessful for quite a time. Spring turned into summer and still no luck. And the advisor found himself passing by a market one morning, and there was an old man setting out his wares on a shabby carpet. And he stopped and asked the merchant, "I don't suppose, by chance, you have heard of a magic ring that will make one who is happy sorrowful, and one who is sorrowful forget their sorrow?" And he watched as the merchant chose a small gold ring from among his wares and engraved something on it. When he saw what that was, a broad grin went across the sage's face, and he returned to the castle, where he was greeted warmly. "So, my friend," said the king, have you completed your task successfully?" And the king's other advisors, his ministers, laughed, and the king himself could not help but let a small smirk wash across his face. To everyone's surprise, The advisor held up the small gold ring and said, "Yes, Your Majesty, here it is." He handed the ring to the king. And as the king saw what was in, and pointed to the inscription, as the king read the inscription, the smirk was wiped from his face. For it contained 4 simple words: "This too shall pass." So there you go. A little President's Day wisdom pointed out to us by President Abraham Lincoln in, again, I want to say 1859, something like that. It's available, Google it. So next week, of course, we will be back on, well, we imagine we'll be back at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with another Tai Chi or Qigong workshop. We have lots of different things in the queue. Not sure what direction we will choose. So we hope to see you then. We're having some wacky weather here in the Atlantic Northeast, so be careful out there. The infection rates are down, but they are still prominent, so be careful out there. And I hope you enjoyed our little interlude here on President's Day 2021. Take care, and hope you'll be here in a week. Ta.